असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा गमय.
Hi, this is BVK. So in this session, we'll discuss about Standard 10, Class Chapter 5, Exercise 5.3, Question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than shorter side, find the sides of field. So in this question, the diagonal of the rectangular field solution. So you know everyone, the rectangular field that should be like this. So in that rectangular field, the diagonal, I think this is the diagonal. The diagonal of this rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So what is the shorter side? We didn't get any information about the shorter side in the given question. So if you assume that the shorter side is x, so then the diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So this will be x plus 30. Right. Next, if the longer side is 30 meters more than shorter side, what is the longer side? This is the L. So shorter side is x. Then what is the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So shorter side is x. The longer side is 30 meters more. Right, we just write now. Let the shorter side of rectangular field be x. Then the length is equals to x plus 30. From the figure, the diagonal is 60 meters more than shorter side, you know. So the diagonal is x plus 60. So by the problem, this diagonal is hypotenuse of lower triangle. So by this is called a hypotenuse. This diagonal is hypotenuse of lower triangle. So here the diagonal is x plus 30 and also we call it as a hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? It's equals to side square plus side square is equals to hypotenuse square. Right? What is the side? This is one side and this is one side. That means this is one side and this is one side. Okay, by the problem we can write this x plus 30 whole square plus x square, that is equals to hypotenuse square. What is the hypotenuse? Here I am telling you that the diagonal of this rectangle is hypotenuse of the lower triangle I said, you know. So x plus 60 whole square. Right? Yes, this is in the form of a plus b whole square form. Just write it. X square plus 2 into AB, 2x plus 60x plus 30 square, 30 into 30, 900 plus x square. And also you can write this x square plus 2ab, 2x into 60, 120x plus 60 square, 3600. Right. Now transpose all the terms from LRH to the LHS. So when we bring all these terms to this side, here it is x square plus 60x plus 900 plus x square, we bring them all, minus x square minus 120x minus 3600 is equal to 0, right? Plus x square minus x square, so we get x square here, plus 60x minus 120x, we get minus 60x, plus 900 minus 3600, minus value is greater, we get 2700 is equals to 0. Yes, we derive. Here we have a quadratic equation, x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equals to 0. Okay, factorize them. X square minus 60x minus 2700 is equals to 0. The 60x can be split as x square minus, what are the factors? 90x plus 30x minus 2700. Okay, make a groups. So if we take x as a common, x minus 90, here we'll take here also x minus 90, plus 30. So x minus 90, if you take common, x minus 90 is 1 and x plus 30, that is equals to 0. X minus 30 is equal, x minus 90 is equal to 0, then x is equals to 90. When x plus 30, that is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 30. Yeah, x is equals to 90 and x is equals to minus 30. But x cannot be a negative. Why? Because if the negative number values are not considered. So that is shorter side. How much? Shorter side is x. So that is equals to 90 meters. So longer side x plus 30. So 90 plus 30, that is equals to 120 meters. So these are the sides of the rectangular field.